What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start leverage trading all for free from the comfort of your phone just by pressing a button every 4 hours. Also, guys, for it, just also remember that for you to start leverage trading, first of all, you actually need to start mining first of all, so that you can actually have free funds to mine with. So the application I'm going to be showing you today actually gives you an opportunity to start mining Bitcoin, and then you're going to be paid in a stable coin called USDT. And as soon as you are paid, you can now start trading with that USDT and get paid. So without further ado, I'm going to be diving straight into today's content. So guys, do make sure that you check the links in the description box for timestamps so that you can navigate to different parts of this video, and also check the description box for links to crypto resources that are going to help you in the crypto space and are going to help you in your journey throughout the crypto space. So without further ado, I'm going to be getting straight into the application. So guys, this is the application we're going to be using. It's actually called Stormgain, a Bitcoin wallet and a crypto exchange application. They are on the Playstore. They actually have 1 million downloads. You can access it through the application, or you can actually use their site. I'm going to leave links to both in the description box so you can start using them and start leverage trading for free. Before I go further into the video, guys, do know that leverage trading is a highly risky venture, and do make sure you do your own research and before you start leverage trading. So I'm actually making these videos to show you how you can do it all for free. So I'm trying to reduce the risk for you guys, but if you're going to be using your own funds, do make sure you trade carefully, as you can make profits and losses within a split of a second. That's just how volatile cryptocurrencies are. So do make sure that you do your own research, not just stick to my own word. Don't take my word for it. Don't take anybody else's word for it. Make sure you do your own research and you make informed decisions, not just diving into it. So as you can see here, from 1 million downloads, they actually have a 4.3 star review. So for a leverage trading application, that's actually pretty high. So compared to Binance, you can actually start mining here for free. And after you mine, you're going to be using those funds to trade. So as you can see, I'm going to be showing you a few pictures so you can know what the app is all about. So as you can see here, they have a lot of instruments, not as much as Binance of course, but they have a few instruments you can trade on. They are on only one crypto wallet, everything you need to earn on crypto. Next up, you can see that they also offer free you to buy cryptocurrency with your credit card, and also other features. I'm going to be explaining those as soon as we get into the application. So guys, we are into the application now. As you can see, I have a small thread running in the background, so we'll just kindly ignore that. So I'm going to be showing you different parts of the application. So as you can see, this is actually the home button. This is it will show you different features that you can see in the application. You actually have the Bitcoin Miner, the video tutorials you can use, and you also have on the platform here signals as you want if you want to use those. So you can actually click the exchange. If you want to exchange from one cryptocurrency to another, you can click on exchange. So if you want to see your status, your present status, you can actually click on my status to see that. I'm going to be showing you guys that in further parts of this video. So next up, I'm going to show you guys now how you can actually start mining Bitcoin on this application, so you can get paid and start using it to trade. So all the funds that you get from this application, all the funds you get here, you cannot withdraw them until you use them to trade. As you can see, I have about 16 USDT in my dashboard right now, but I can't withdraw it until I use it to trade. So once I use it and trade, any profits I withdraw from it, I can actually cash it out to my Binance wallet or any other wallet I like to transfer it to, and actually start buying real coins or do anything I want with that amount. So if actually to start the mining of Bitcoin, all you have to do is just come and click this Bitcoin Miner in the description, in the dashboard. So if you actually click on that, it will take you to another page, or you can click this one in the top corner since it's closer. So if you actually click on that, it's going to take you to another page. So that page is going to show you it's going to show you how you can start mining. So after that, I'm going to talk on the different parts of the miner and how you can use the miner best to your advantage. So as you can see here, guys, I actually have to activate this every 4 hours. So as you can see, I have about 2 hours left until my current mining session ends, and then I can activate it again. So now how the miner works is that as I said earlier, you have to first mine before you start getting paid. So you can actually increase your mining speed. I'm going to explain more on that in a few minutes. So when is where is Bitcoin mining? The Bitcoin mining is done on the application. If you actually read to all the FAQs here, you can actually see that the Bitcoin mining is done here. It doesn't use your CPU. It's like a form of cloud mining. So you don't need to mine. You don't need to leave your mobile data on or anything like that. So once you click on withdraw, it's going to be sent to your Stormgain wallet. So not your private wallet, but your Stormgain wallet, and you can use it to trade whatever cryptocurrency you choose to trade. So since why might the amount mined be reduced? The amount mined could be reduced because it can also be increased based on the fact that you are mining Bitcoin. So as you know, the price of Bitcoin fluctuates from day to day. So for example, if you started mining when Bitcoin was around 40,000 US dollars, and then Bitcoin goes down to about $5,000, the amount you mined here on top will actually reduce. But if you started mining at 40,000 and the price increases to $45,000, the amount of Bitcoin you've mined will also increase as well. So depending on that, you can actually use that to advantage. If you know that Bitcoin will go up in value, you can start mining. And when Bitcoin goes up in value, like let's say to like 60,000, and you can then withdraw and then start using it before it goes down back. So use that to advantage, guys. So next up, you say, how can I increase my mining speed? I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do that. So I already explained how the mined coins can be used. So I'm going to skip to the next part. So if you actually want to increase your mining speed, you actually have to trade with the application. So if you, in your best interest, you can actually use this as your own leverage trading platform instead of using the Binance platform. So if you actually trade here, there are actually multiple benefits that come with it. So if I press on X1, you can see the volume. You can see the rewards that I'm going to be getting just by doing this. I think it is a better way to show you guys. I'm going to pause the video now and I'm going to skip to that. So guys, if I'm actually back to my dashboard here, you can see your status showed here. So you can see I'm currently on standard level. So no, I don't have any bonus for depositing, no trading commission discount, no annual interest rate, and no exchange. No, the exchange commission is about than 0.095%. My mining speed is than 0.5. So I click on the loyalty program shown here. You can see that Stormgain actually offers a lot of long-term benefits for actually using the application. So as soon as I get to the next, there are about 6 levels here, I think about 7. So depending on the level you are, you're actually going to get benefits. So you can see the benefits shown here. So bonus for deposits, interest rate just for holding your cryptocurrency on the platform, the diamond or the VIP. So depending on the level you are, you can actually get more bonuses. So first of all, if you actually want to increase these levels, you can actually click on this. If I click on standard and I said explore next status, which is the gold status, you can see that all I have to do is just to increase my trading volume. So as I said earlier, guys, I actually mined about 10 USDT, and then I'm using that USDT now to trade, and so far my trading volume is about 1,175 USDT. So example now, the trading volume just means that, for example now, if I start this trade I'm on now, I'm currently in profit. So if I close that trade right now and I start another trade, that actually increases my trading volume. So for example, let's say when I traded with 5x leverage using 10 USDT. So, and that means that my trading volume for that trade was 50 USDT. So you can see that it's actually very, very easy to do that. So if I actually want to sell, I actually have to sell back that volume of USDT as well. So let's say I used the same 10 USDT and I sold back. That means automatically just made a volume of 100 US dollars. So you can see it's very easy, guys. If you can do that 100 US dollars, if you can do that 1,500 times more, you're actually going to get to the next status. So you're actually going to get to the next status of about that means you've traded 150,000 USDT in volume, and then you can increase that and go to the next level and next level, which more benefits are going to come in the long run. So as I said earlier, guys, that's actually the reward for using the Stormgain application. So make sure that you start using your USDT as soon as you finish mining, so that you can earn more as well. So to the next part of this video now. So just to continue here, you can see that there are actually a few other features here. So this will take you to the trading application. I'm not going to be covering that for this part of the video, so I'm just going to show you guys how to mine. So the next part shows you the exchange. If you want to exchange from one cryptocurrency to another, you can actually do that there. I actually advise that after you made profit, let's say I've made about $100 in profit, if you are going to be withdrawing, it's advisable you withdraw in another cryptocurrency. For example, now you know that USDT is a stable coin, so and the charges for withdrawing USDT from Stormgain are actually pretty high. So you can convert to another cryptocurrency like XRP, for example, or you can convert to maybe Litecoin or any other cheaper cryptocurrency alternative, and then withdraw using that. So I'm just hoping that I actually make a lot of money with this application, and you can actually stick with me to the entirety of this video so you can know how to make the best out of this application. So guys, if you've actually been getting value so far, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and you like this video so that more people can see the analysis we are sharing and the analysis we are making, so that everybody will be able to earn more in the crypto space. So the next actually shows your wallet and how you can the different wallets in your Stormgain account, and now you can use them to withdraw or deposit if you want to. So if I click on back to home, so I'm going to be showing you guys other features of the application. So as soon as you another thing you guys should notice, as soon as you start trading, as soon as you start your application up, do make sure that you verify your phone number and verify your email. It's actually very important because a lot of you complain about your accounts getting blocked. If you don't verify those two things, you actually stand the higher risk of your accounts being banned or being blocked. So do make sure that as soon as you start up your application, you immediately verify your phone number. So next up, if you click on more here, so you can see that you cannot only just trade, you can actually use a demo account and start trading. So if I want to switch on my demo account, I have to just toggle this button to the right and it will take me to a demo account. So if you want to test your trading strategies with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other trading strategy you want, you can actually start testing them here before you start trading on the main application. So next up, you can see the language, security, so all those are not really necessary. So next up is the fees and limits. So if you click on fees and limits, you can actually see the different fees that you can attach to different cryptocurrencies here, so that you can use that to your advantage when you want to withdraw or deposit. So I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. So guys, if you can actually click on the trading, you can actually take you to a page like this where you can actually see different cryptocurrencies you can start trading with. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you got any value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you won't miss out on exciting videos like this. I make 2 videos like this every single week, showing you how you can explore opportunities in the crypto space and how you can make money in the crypto space. So do make sure to hit the like button, and do make sure to check the first link in the description box to join my WhatsApp group so you can get updates on different cryptocurrency platforms that you can use to your advantage before I drop them here on YouTube. I'm going to see you in subsequent videos, guys. I'm going to see you next week. See you guys and enjoy the crypto space.